You know that I took Charlton to a prayer camp before, and I regret it. If I tell you what they put my son through, you know, this here, they will put it here in his head here, and then they squeeze it. Why someone is pouring oil on him? Your bus is here, thank God. We didn't. The bus is here, thank God. No running, no run, walk. Well, while they were pouring oil on him, and it will get to a point I couldn't be in the room anymore. I know that what they are doing, they were hurting Charlton, but some part of me think that, God bless you, some points I was like, maybe he will get better. I don't have any problem a mother taking their children to a prayer group or a camp. No. Just make sure they don't harm your child. I believe that you can pray for the child without screaming on them. I believe you can pray for the child without pushing your hands, squeezing their brains out. I believe you can take your child to a prayer camp without pouring a lot of oil on them. Trust me. They scream, and you know, we just get out from the plane, and my brother was like dying because it was everybody like, Fanebra Ghana, Fanebra Ghana, Fanebra Ghana, Fanebra Ghana. Let him come to Ghana. So we went to Ghana for 3 months. The most, I'll tell you that, the most horrible experience. So if anybody said prayer group or prayer thing, it just take my head back to what they did to my son. And me, they did it to me too, because they took advantage of me, because I needed help so bad. I needed my son to be okay. I needed my son to be able to function right. So they took advantage of me. And it get to a point that they said Penny and Kakra should pray for Charlton, because they have having a vision that Penny and Kakra will be the one that. So then you don't want to know what I've been through. You see, sometimes when you see me screaming and making all of this stupid thing, it's what I have been through. I'm not all good up here. Penny and Kakra were so young. They were like, what, 8 or something? Chicken was 8 months. And they said Penny and Kakra should scream. These children were in this place that it was super, and it wasn't like we went here, somebody came to the house, we did this, somebody have to come and bathe Charlton, they put some oil on him, they took him to this place, they have to give him some stuff to drink, we have to put something in his food, we have to, sweetie, if I want to talk to you about what Charlton has been through, what I have let people do to my son Charlton within that short time, even in here, America. So me, if I bring my children to Ghana, I'm nobody, but I will be watching them like a hunk, like nobody. But that, because I'm a Church of Christ member, I believe you can pray. I believe you can pray. You can pray. You can pray to the point that God, heaven will speak. Heaven will speak in His right time. I believe that you can pray without shaking people, without pushing people, without slapping people, without stepping your feet, making all of that unnecessary sound. I believe so. I think so. I think that you can pray without all of that. So for what they squeeze Charlton's brain, and even here, it was too much to the point that I pulled Charlton, and you can see his fingers, this thumb right here in my son's brain. And I started crying, and Joe was like, Nana, what are you taking him to? I'm like, because Joe didn't know that this guy has talked to me 3 days before, and he have interviewed me interview from the day that I got married to now, and he used me as a scapegoat in the church. So if you want to take your child to Ghana, I think it's a good idea, but the child have to have his IEP, and whoever is going to help your child supposed to follow the IEP. For them to do IEP, it doesn't take like a minute. They go through a lot of meeting, a lot of therapy, a lot of teachers, a lot of doctors to develop this IEP. And that IEP have to be followed so that your child can do better. But if you just going to say like, oh, prayer group, and you just shift your child, or you just believe it and you don't do IEP. That was me. From the one that they diagnosed Charlton, I was in this prayer line, prayer group. Do you know the time that we will put water in the TV, and after the prayers, I will give it to Charlton to drink? The sound, the noise that I made in his ears speak to his. So I have been through hell with my son, my firstborn, that I was like only 25, and it is not easy, horrible to a young girl to have a child, and this is what happened. It's horrible. And then you think everybody's against you. You think that God has left you, and you get mad, and then you blame people, and then you think it's your family or his family or somebody. You have so much going on in your head, and you don't know, and you are looking for answers. So anybody who will tell you that, oh, I have answer, you run to them. You don't walk, you run. And I am very grateful that I have grown up and I've been this matured. I have been so matured in Charlton's situation, and I have seen that Charlton is doing well. Charlton is doing much better, and Charlton will continue to develop. He will get better as long as time goes on. Before, he will pick stuff and put things in his mouth, and now he's not doing it anymore. So he's growing. It is hard, yes, don't get me wrong. It is super hard. Sometimes it's hard to brush it. I have to brush his teeth. We have to cut his toes, nails. We have to do so much. His dad have to do a lot. But it's better than before. It's better than before, and it will get better. So my thing is, taking your child to Ghana, it's not a bad decision. It is not a bad decision. But just don't let it be only like prayer group, prayer line and stuff. No. Let it be let it be his therapies. They follow his IEP. So share the video for me, and follow me on the social media platform, and comment if you have any question for me. Don't worry, bring the question, and I will try my best to answer. God bless you, and let's talk about autism. God bless you. Share the video and follow Charlton too. It's Work with Charlton on TikTok, and he's on Facebook, and he's on Instagram, and he's on YouTube. And let's continue.
Lumba semi o kasa won ka bibie ma wo ho a na wo nanka bi jebi wo ye nanka jebi etiam kwa na mo pesa mo de kire wiase e na mo benya mo ye nkrofo mo adwen wo fom because Kevin aba beta ne papa fie ni stepmother wo ho enti so ne stepmother nam no mo kɔ ne papa factories na o cheche ne papa bra ne papa bo no cheche ne ma so a what is wrong with that jebi e kom di mo jebi we wona ma wo na so hu nyansani. What is wrong? Enti ne ya mo pa ne senka nkwala be di mpanifo atam ana senka sabre na Calvin no wa twese kan no dia wo dobro ne no na mo pa na e de na kire se ne Calvin ba ya obehwehwe ne papa dwapade so na okọ random e de na kire se odobro ni na odobro no betimi control Calvin no ana Denise jama mo twese o mo ye nkwala no mo nam we mo ye mpanifo abrochire 30 years kwa twese wa abrewa no we akokoro no na mo Calvin no odobro ni betimi control no eti ne nka mo pa ni se nka Kevin di odobro ni atem ana no twese onwo odobro ni sika na onye nde jebi dwen wate suenyansa na menim se Ghana ho na oti no so wonim nyansa suenyansa we ya wakanyamafo tie no ebi no mo adwen wo fom so ye e de na kyese odobro ni ye bibie betie ma me se wa ana akola ne ma no ma hwe ne papa dwa esasa wo papa ma obra ni ntino mu hu obi a ne papa aye dwapade o nam so mu hu so ye mu animi asem ya wo kese ma me se wa eni da ho pa ma me se wo bon so wo ye very stupid guy.
He, e ma mu chema hurahuro. E men kurasefo. man kwasi yampafoɔ mo ho afia fi a mo be social media ha a mo dia mo say maame akoso yɛ se wanam dem na yɛ kye apai wɔ ma no mo ni chance ne mo kyem mo maame mo kankan mo papa mo afia fi kwasi yampafoɔ why obi si president me hey mo fa mo kyim mi fanfiri ni paso wate odoponi foi kwasi yampafoɔ agye amanfoɔ kunu a mo afɔ mi katela mo te wa no mo keka kwasi asɛm kyerɛ akoso ase wa mo fa mo kyim mi mfiri ni paso wate mo fa mo ni ensade ye fanfiri akoso ase wate sɛ mo asoma fa ɛnyɛ mo fa ni maame akoso ase wa o sɛ mo asoma fa ɛnyɛ mo fa ɛne mo classmate maame akoso ase wa mo classmate ɛne mo kunu ho afia fi no amanfoɔ kunu ma makɔgye ɔmo ni gumo so ɔmo ne bo ɔmo to ne bo pampers ma no pa wɔn ada ne stroke ɛna mo no bɔne ne mo kyɛm kankan a mo de agye mo kyɛm a mo kɔgye amanfoɔ kunu ma wɔn de ayɛ azale fo ada ne stroke ebi ada ne ayi ebi kunu ma ada ne ayi setio ebi kunu so anya stroke ya no ben so ne gu pampers ma no pa ne ya tibini kwasiafoɔ odoboni agyefuo kɔ agyekunufo frustrated human beings frustrated women sa mo be go social media ha mo ho afia fi mo me yaso me fo mo kwasia ne mo timi femfa kosia se wate mo fa mo timi ne mo kankan ne mo fi femfa kosia se wate na akosia se wa ne ho ete mo maame mo akosia se wa ho te ete mo papa kwasia mpafo a wo ma mo bra a wo mo te wo mo chiwe gu wo ma ha mu se etie nie ekom de mo ni de mo semo e de mo ankasa mo de mo ma na mo beta social media ha akosia se wa na mo be na tam mo ya mo kwasia mpafo agimifo mo ya kwasiafo papa akosia se yam classmate maame akosia se wa yam size maame akosia se wa yam classmate mo chimi na mo nyansa mo ya mo papa akosia se yam classmate akosia se wa yam classmate emu ma wa fi so come so wo ya lawyer and so de o ma pa wa beto abonte a amanfo kunu mu record and wo ma kwaje ma mo se mo social media ha mo ando chon mai ye kan kire mo legal wife ye dem agia mo nya bold na mo kofa mo ankasa mo nkɔ na mo fa mo be ma metere na mo nya amanfo kunu mu no why mo nya amanfo kunu ma chidie o nkwase ya mpafo mo nya amanfo kunu ma chidie mo nya amanfo kunu ma tia baso wo mo nya amanfo kunu ma je baso wia mo be dia kosia se watem wate na ma ba ababa ka be dia kosia se watem what asema me ka twa mo no na ma samatia ba ha abedia kosia se watem asefo mo classmate any mo slippers no mo tinta slippers no mo bet sentana mo de widiri mo no mo classmate no mo classmate any mo China bag na ekita mo no mo China ntade from mo tiri kope mo na ase no mo China ntade a mo se yenya mo a mo beba so kwase yampafo mo ponso a mo de betena kam dem a etwetwe asim wo moa mo classmate ne no bet ma me akosia se wade na mo size ye ma me akosia so ne mo classmate moa ebra akosia se wabo ne wiase no mo maame mo ba wiase mo abobi mo papa nkwase yampafo no o mo ba wiase mo timi ba obi fa mo chimi fanfi ni paso social media hawate mo fa mo chimi fanfi social media hawate me abna me nsin so man sane ha eti me metimi de me maame atomati me metimi de me maame atomati eti mo nso mo nkofa me maame metomati ansa no mo bedi atem mo nkofa mo maame mo metomati ansa no mo bedi atem obi nya mo dai akosia se wakọ America waka mo maame akosia se wakọ du America na waka mo kwase yapafo maame akosia se wa ne ho nya fi sa mo maame o maame akosia se wa ne ho nya fi ne ho mwan ne ho nya ntutu atesa mo maame mo kwase yampafo oba besia wote abrochire na wote wo bobra atu abrochire dan a wote abrochire dan mo bedi natam mo jam maame esi betenko esi bontafufuom mo maame na mo maame nsechi mfutu mo maame ne ninto mo mani ntoto wo mo tena kama eje so mo de duko kate wo mo ti ansa no mo twa beduku ma se mo jam maame kwase ampafo abedi akosia se watem akosia se wa yesa mo pay woni mo num pe mafia mo mo kan mo awote mo sira jam nsechi Musra ama munseti kala atotom man kwase yampafo a musra na se mu twam a pokra ani ka to na ante mo kurasefo asefo man mu na mo se so betena kamera ma mo so mo te se na ka fit afri monim mo yesi na fit afri monim kwase yampafo ye betena se a ya wusi ya te se ye yanim anya de te wo yamfa fit antu yanim o efisa yan no ye ne ye koma maame akohwa se wa nti ye betena kamera mfia ni yamfa fit antu yanim efisa ye maame no onfa fit antu yanim odo broni bronsamba Odobro ni buswani ba. Wa priga bentine. Or priga sss. Wa priga betucha man fokunu. Or priga shim dewa. But was what betia man. Or beti mamia kosia se wakuna. One ma kosia se wa huntono. By fuaba. By fuaba ya. I was one ma kosia se wa huntono. A mom pick will be a how. Mama report me. Mom pick will be a. Mama pick will be a. It's wait, she means I will have a report. What request? Wait.
Oba no watro. Enough is enough. Team legal wife members, especially mo amudi enim. Na mo koko dema ya mami akosia sewa. Enough is enough. Akosia sewa wa bre mami na bre. Mami ya bre from Lumba nsemwa asamo ba na ye nyina. Ni owu ye nti. Ana ase nukura bi da baby nti mami fa ma ho den na me kasa pewa. Emla me support mami. Ya ba yan so a ya de another problem the man and then. Don't we all know say we are stressing the woman? Umpokura wutu fie hwe obi koka wa asem a. Hwe se ne stress I go through. Obi koka bibi boni fa ho a. Hwe stress I go through. Na mami ade bechi bia keka akosua se wadi mu. Aden. Ya ka kire mo mami no wa bre mu janu hey ayeye. Wo bra no wa fa okuru wa na akose ne no na me ka o platform bi so no. Mami na sem no. Se pan say togetherness say team legal wife for leaders be together it will never happen. But mutual respect there, we should have it and give it to the woman. E woni dimu. Because all in the name of say akasama no be etimi ne abusua no kora kasa anyhow. And then obi be cancer support no china no ba kasa atwi no. Because say wo kasama no. Mama na bro. Viewers and we say viewers no bebre ye troublemakers, but we have genuine people who truly love the woman. Omunye bibi born in kasentia no da. Nanso contribution kromo no yine kase. Omo so kroma bre. Me de wuro kra de me. Omo bre yen aden ene kwe elchina kwa. Ana me na me this ana team ana team aden. Empire na me bo kire Kristo se radima ema enukura bia de ewo mu ni ndadi. Na obi amfa ne tofia nkotena ne fie ne yenwene ye ho. Aden. Akosha sa wa nsam ye mienu o ma me no if you got the chance to talk to her. Nsam ye 2 no 3. Madam wase mo for don't tena. Bibi aboko nyame hira mo asa. The sentence no me yansa asa. Madam wase bebre nyame hira mo me for don't tena. Me fa bia koye. Asa. Oni hui biemuka. A woman of a few words. The words here so limited. Few. Ya betena ya kwa team legal wife leaders and I am here to say most of the people are very selfish. Selfish and as it in apa. Whatever. Omo ya selfish and any ya brebe. Obia pesa menkwam pesa menkumnya bebre platform ni panim no mo kale omonim nyame so pa bebre mu ade ai adan someone ko mama me ni bia mama si Kristo be ma obi aba support mama say na me kan omonzo mo asole ye ne ete ya bramo Moti asa energy na mo de shase muntimi mfa nkonko wie. And new people are coming with different energy. Agwagwa yesis ka jiji. Me ma say me feel comfortable in jiji sika. E wo ha like that. Obetu wa bre. Omo no mo te ne asante no mo no mo te. Nanso engosra ne ayi power na other people na afi no mo ba mu so ba no. Omo so de ye great. Wow. Nanka ye nyina ya kan bom nanka ye kama ewo mu se ye nyina ntimi nya ba akode na mmom we at least e was some we hu ye kwaye we na ye nyina bom ni akwa support simple and tieti akaba short ube hunu na we ye ne bibi me ne gugugugu su e bia na mafa na me bo support me kura de me ye nchina na mayele kura do mo fa me nya bi ni mpo na mo de me aye ntimi so minima no me ye ntimi ka na me kita me kra me fa me ha akase say wa bro and it free e bra beto mama no haye Akosia sewa wa bre. Au akosia sewa wa bre. Uknunumba wa twetwe wa bre. Na social media nso twetwe wo se aden kura na moye akosia sewa se ye o aden. Mun live ma me alone. No bi amfa no kro wa nkonko tena ne fie. Ah! Haya.
Ware na ku pema enshira ware na ku ya prem no pema wa ku rafa bigre enshira woni bisa rahe amadi ku kela wawo kan ku dawo enshira rahe so amfa ni me amadi ku je ko mama na niya akwawo da enshira oye na sa wo ba bia ni black bia no se be ma tiro nkwa
abusia me busa question ketuwa bi we question ma bo mfu c'est through 25 December me be busa question say Ajaguraja and Solomon and I say we followers no monso to baby our Ghana. It's just a question because maintain baby asi me be me say e ba se yen chira dwen na yen pani media so a the followers of Ajaguraja movement ene Ajaguraja and Solomon munyina mo so mo chira dwen yi pani media so o man hey ene okay yen fan we so just a question ma bo fu afi de tosum yenu enye say bia the Bible be man ka me kran ka me fiu but Bible now miss go to no na de ya twero no odane no ntina ma me de mebem enye no kore da say Leah any Richie Rahel ede ne ba sorry na fana emma Jacob ni ntina ma ne wo ye da bi reason nya no a na asam na wo kan nya no kore na the reason tia na oba na enwore say Rahel enwore say one oyere pani na wo ye Leah no Bible said na Jacob endo no enti eye wo nyankopon hunu say Jacob en no yere pani no anu nti no to wo yere keto no eye funum eno kra kire wo se onyankopon tai awale entoso enti no me be kan Bible na mo ati ase se eye onyankopon nsa no adwuma eye wo no to wo yere keto no ye funum because oda wo say Jacob de ma wo yere pani no wa amfa ma no because na ompe no so ati ase wanya so no akola so no enti onyankopon hunu sa no ene onyankopon eto wo yere keto no eye funum enti enye ye friend say wode na fana ne koma ne enti na ma ne wo ye no so ye beba ho afi de toso mi no on the friend say we your mentor on the friend say we your difo on the who follow no we your ba obesua nyansa e wo your friend say e wo mi video mu if you say empani say so ko so obi abodwe say hia na wasanzo de ayede e de ase wo de ho ya say pemama wukunu wantimi anka nyansa ne nimde ankyere wo say sa e ma na wo fa bebrebe ne ene yale a eni aduro ne nam ti sa wukunu na akofa oba de abere no sa wukunu no kwakote yale no de bia be yem ke ko mu fra mu nyansa fo Ghana ona afra manim defo enti wei se wahene bi kwa na asole nyansa be na sa wahene bi timi de agu man no me di obi atem wa ha se wahene bi follow Ajaguraja movement no wode ne ho ato ne so no na kire na asem bisa pa e wo mpa ne se nim de ni nyansa be na obetimi nya de abu o man na wode akonya na wote so ase wahene no ano age say anyone but ye be sekire na kan okra kire enu ti no ma me Bible verse no because obufu kura ntimi nya me hwe sa na nyame ayeme wo se yokopoma na urade hunu se wotan Leah no obue ne yafunum na Rahel de oye obonini praise the Lord enti so won say enye ye friend say de Ajaguraja e kan no e toro e urade na ngasa ne ko so sa ne manya fi yanko Genesis chapter 30 wo say na Rahel hunu se onwo ma Jacob no otwene nua ba no ho kora na oka kire Jacob say mame ma na anya sa mewu na Jacob bufu Rahel ka say misi onyankopon wo kan me wo yemu ma no anamu ana na Rahel ka say hwe mafuna be ha nie woni na ongungu mesre so na me nso minya ne ho emma to say Jacob kura ni me say sa causes of bonini na Rahel enya no ana say aba na brabo so na yenyame o hwe de mekin kan HCC ya Genesis 30 no afi me jompo aba Genesis 30 verse 22 ase onyankopon kra kai Rahel na onyankopon tie no na obie ne yefum na onyinsen no babale ma na o se onyankopon aye ma hokra na woto ne din Joseph Ewrade ma me oba foforo enka na ho Ewrade asem ni afi won se enye ne baba na wode sorry na fana na wode ne ma Jacob no na ema nyinsen be ne Ewrade ene kai no because oda e wose Jacob de ma eyire no enti no ewe kura kira wo se Ewrade na nkasa otawale go ayi sorry otawale dodo anasa wale mienu because onyankopon hunu sa no ena bebe bia no betima ka kira me say me yere lia ba ko mienu miensa me dom nyina wo ya torofo because odo ya ba ko pe you can't divide it odo e ba ko pe Jesus say muntimi nsoma ewura no baanu anya sa obedo ba akoma ide wata ba akoma akoma na edo yem na yesai na edo not me divide akoma acha me nipa mienu ne miensa those squad they offer omo achirachira for ne di for no e ba ni nyame asem ma won e be mo be chese nothing tino enya no kore media bible na me school to na me be kan ka me kan wasem ti se mo so mo to aba Ghana ha dia Ghana you problem everybody shira o.
Okay, Micah chapter 4 verse 5. Wasi amama ni nyina wo no munyame. Se de yen Israel. Wanka yen Togo. Wanka yen Ghana wasi yen Israel. Wo ye nyame yawe ya mashia. Eno ko wasa tudin. Nti enyame bebrebe wo ho. Nti o man bia nanu kuni nyame ho a wo no. Sa wo man onyini ye kese. Obi oye nipa bonyefo, oye beyefo, oye konkonso, oye damrama ne suru sunsun. Osuro bofo. Osuro bosom. Obi oye damrama no oye kontombofo, oye dadafo. Ene osuro bosom. No kure ba ko pe.
To no bo busu dia onpe.
Onpe because on say okotwa ntura. E wo nyame fie ya say ofare bo ntem so onton ntem. Nanka Elisha kasa say sisire free we mumram de ama wo ba we ro. Ofane bo akoto ntem. Na emom de concept be ma wo wadwe free so say Yakobon fane bo a onton ntem to no de Bible ne brew. Nanka Yakobon fane bo onton ntem a eye de na ka munum wa Yesu Kristo timi dane brodo baako ene mpata me e ma ne ye bebre. Bible mu nyam onye hubobrofo.
Osmosis fa man ko kire wode bo house woni be hu pina ma na nsi wo.
Onye hubobrofo. Se wutimi ma kranke to sabi o munim nyansa. Na o ma sisire be hwe wo mo a onye humobro.
Ene mre mi na wo koye Maduma station yese konfo na no che powers ama sisire free pom.
Ababa hwe ama for you social media on tire do metena se aka. Wonim de be yawo.
Me say ye be chiwu wo ko sabi wo bura otumfo anim. Ye wura nim akotwe so.
Kama nature onye sisi for them.
Fe ni agoro.
Se me sisi obi ne. Obi ko sisi mi nwa na sha na bebe. Itime e ka kire me ho ka kire nipa me no mu hia se emu obi kwase na obi kwase obi begu me kwase a. So far as me yesu nsum nipa nkere se sabi me fum abode a ana me fum nature ne me ni. Ahom na akra betwe wo ni ya twe so. Omo akra betwe wo so. Fa me number no. Wo ha wo na da wo so. Wa ko enko no. Enka kire wo se no wa bre nko ba bia bi. O me so o me hwe. Brane ye no nto nchia. Ade na ade beto bofo pani anim no ebe wie ya ye de. Ama oni obi anya amane. Udifo. Emfa amam ya. Emfrɛ me. Me kan kire me. Be justice. Obi nya obone so pese me tu na duro kunu. Emfrɛ me. De wo de ba no manye nye positive. Mane nya adwene kan. Let's be frankly speaking. Manana comfort dey no moye. Are they helping the nation? Impact be no mo make it. Ometima si school, ometima carbon. Asi bank, asi police stations. No, individuals do all ometimi ye bi. But in the whole I recognize it a conform. Say traditional school, Muslim for school, traditional church, traditional way hospitals. Na ye need san your money bia. It will create a different impression out to the world. Say, na no mo sha say bibi. Say the near say omo ya bon samfo ya de bon ye for enti sa for ya no be so as a fetish priest. I na makoma timi ye me cry ya. I didn't na be fresh of so ye prophet na be frame say me fetish. No, you are downgrading me cry. Prophets, me a prophet. Me a soothsayer.